everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel RF Ride. Today we are talking about the 2025 JCB tractor. Brings advanced technology and powerful performance to modern farming operations. Designed for efficiency and versatility, it is equipped with a high-performance engine that delivers exceptional power output while maintaining fuel efficiency. The engine provides the necessary torque to handle a variety of tasks, from plowing and planting to heavy-duty hauling. The advanced transmission system ensures smooth operation, allowing operators to switch between gears effortlessly and achieve optimal performance in different working conditions. The exterior design of the JCB tractor combines durability with functionality. It features a robust chassis that provides stability and strength, ensuring long-lasting performance even in the most challenging terrains. The tractor's high ground clearance and superior suspension system allow it to navigate rough fields with ease, reducing vibrations and enhancing comfort during extended working hours. Its advanced hydraulic system provides excellent lifting capacity, making it suitable for a wide range of agricultural and construction applications. Inside the cabin, the 2025 JCB tractor offers a spacious and ergonomic environment designed for operator comfort and convenience. The adjustable seating and intuitive control layout enhance productivity by reducing operator fatigue. A state-of-the-art digital display provides real-time data on fuel consumption, engine performance, and maintenance alerts, allowing operators to monitor the machine's efficiency effortlessly. The climate control system ensures a comfortable working environment in all weather conditions, improving focus and efficiency during long hours in the field. The JCB tractor is equipped with cutting-edge technology to enhance precision and productivity. Advanced GPS tracking and auto-steering capabilities allow for accurate field navigation and optimized route planning, reducing fuel consumption and operational costs. The connectivity features enable remote monitoring and diagnostics, ensuring timely maintenance and minimizing downtime. The tractor's compatibility with a variety of implements makes it a versatile solution for multiple farming applications. Safety is a top priority in the design of the JCB tractor. It comes equipped with advanced braking systems, traction control, and rollover protection to ensure operator safety in all working conditions. The LED lighting system provides excellent visibility during nighttime operations, enhancing safety and efficiency. The tractor also features automatic emergency shut-off systems and alerts to prevent potential accidents and ensure smooth operation. With its combination of power, technology, and comfort, the 2025 JCB tractor stands as a reliable and efficient choice for modern farmers and contractors. Its ability to adapt to different tasks and terrains makes it a valuable investment for those looking to improve productivity and reduce operational costs. For more updates and detailed insights into the latest agricultural machinery, subscribe to our channel and stay informed about the newest advancements in the industry.